Welcome to Future Human Science. Today, we're delving into one of the most thrilling and transformative fields of modern technology, artificial intelligence. From revolutionizing transportation with self-driving cars to enhancing healthcare with predictive diagnostics, AI is rapidly reshaping how we live and interact. In this video, we'll explore the various ways AI is changing our world and take a closer look at what the future might hold. So, let's embark on this journey into the future of AI. To start, let's break down what artificial intelligence actually is. At its core, AI is about creating machines that can perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. This includes things like learning from experience, recognizing patterns, and making decisions. AI encompasses a range of technologies from machine learning, where systems learn from data and improve over time, to deep learning, which involves more complex neural networks mimicking human brain functions. One of the most noticeable ways AI impacts our daily lives is through virtual assistants. These AI-powered tools, like Amazon's Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple Siri, have become integral to many households. They help us manage our schedules, control smart home devices, play our favorite music, and even provide weather updates. These assistants use natural language processing, NLP, to understand and respond to our commands, making our interactions with technology more seamless and intuitive. Another prominent application of AI is in personalized recommendations. Whether you're browsing Netflix or shopping on Amazon, AI algorithms analyze your past behavior to suggest content or products tailored specifically to your preferences. This personalization enhances user experience by presenting relevant options and making it easier to discover new things you might like. Healthcare is another field where AI is making significant strides. AI algorithms are being used to analyze medical images, such as X-rays and MRIs, with incredible precision. These systems can detect anomalies and assist doctors in diagnosing conditions more accurately and quickly. Additionally, AI is helping in the development of new treatments by analyzing vast amounts of research data to identify potential drug candidates and predict their effectiveness. Looking ahead, the future of AI promises even more groundbreaking advancements. One of the most talked about developments is autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars, powered by AI, have the potential to transform transportation by improving safety and efficiency. These vehicles use sensors, cameras, and AI algorithms to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and make real-time decisions, reducing the likelihood of accidents caused by human error. In the field of robotics, AI is enabling machines to perform tasks that were previously too complex or dangerous for humans. From robotic surgery to automated warehouses, AI-driven robots are enhancing productivity and precision across various industries. These advancements are not only improving operational efficiency, but also opening up new possibilities for automation in everyday tasks. AI is also making its mark in creative fields. AI-generated art, music, and literature are becoming more sophisticated, blurring the lines between human and machine creativity. For example, AI can now compose original music, create visual art, and even write poetry. This raises intriguing questions about the nature of creativity and the role of machines in artistic expression. However, with these advancements come important ethical considerations. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, issues like data privacy, security, and algorithmic bias become increasingly significant. Ensuring that AI systems are developed and used responsibly is crucial. This involves creating transparent algorithms, protecting personal data, and addressing any biases that may arise in AI decision-making processes. In addition to these challenges, the future of AI holds promise in various other sectors. In education, AI can offer personalized learning experiences, adapting to each student's unique needs and pace. In environmental science, AI is used to monitor climate change, track wildlife, and manage natural resources more effectively. In space exploration, AI assists in analyzing data from distant planets and guiding missions, expanding our understanding of the universe. As we look to the future, it's evident that AI will continue to be a driving force in shaping our world. Its potential to revolutionize industries, enhance our daily lives, and tackle complex challenges is boundless. However, it's up to us to navigate the ethical and societal implications of these technologies and ensure that their development benefits everyone. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of AI and want to stay updated on the latest in science and technology, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. We'd love to hear your thoughts on AI. What excites you about its future, and how do you think it will impact our lives? Share your comments below. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of artificial intelligence. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of science and technology.